How to delete Poppo live account. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete or cancel your account. So let's get into the video. So firstly, what we're going to do, just open up the app and log into your Poppo account. So open up the app and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your profile tab here, which is on your bottom all the way right. Go to your profile. So click on your profile and this will take you to your profile. So once you're on your profile here, so what we're going to do now is scroll down and you will see there is a settings option there. So click on the settings option. Okay, when you click on the settings option, you will get to the settings screen here. In here, so what we're going to choose is you're going to select account and security. Click on the account and security option, and here if you see underneath the last option, there will be an option called cancel account. So if you want to delete your account, you go to cancel your account. So what you have to do is tap on cancel account, and it's going to ask you whether you want to cancel your account. And once you're sure that you want to cancel your account, all you have to do is click on confirm delete account, and it's going to ask you to enter your ID below. So just enter that and hit on confirm. In that way you will be able to cancel or delete your Poppo account, and that's how you do it. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you all in a new video. Thank you.